In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cyberghost VPN on a Mac. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy or simply access geo-restricted content, Cyberghost VPN is a fantastic choice. So, let's dive right in and set it up on your Mac. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to the Cyberghost VPN website. This is where you'll find everything you need to get started with their service. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the top right corner and click on My Account. Here, you're going to need to log into your Cyberghost account. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. It's a straightforward process that requires just a few personal details. Logging in is vital because it's the gateway to accessing all your account features and software downloads. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Cyberghost dashboard. From here, our next stop is the Cyberghost home area, which should be easily accessible from the main menu of your account portal. This section is designed to give you quick, centralized access to all the essential features of your VPN service. After arriving at your home page, locate the Download Hub. This is a dedicated space where Cyberghost provides all the necessary files for their software, tailored to various platforms. Click on it to move forward. In the Download Hub, search for desktop apps. Cyberghost has made it convenient by organizing all their apps in one place. Here, you'll find versions for multiple operating systems. Ensure that you select the platform that's compatible with your Mac by clicking on macOS. Once you click on macOS, the software download will commence almost immediately. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. After the download is complete, you'll need to open the downloaded file to begin the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the steps necessary to install Cyberghost on your Mac. And that's all there is to it. With Cyberghost installed, you can now enjoy a more secure and private internet experience. Keep this video handy if you need a refresher. And don't forget to check out other features and settings within the app to fully customize your VPN experience to your liking. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!